So in this problem, we're given that the number of members at a certain club is between 10 and 40. And then we're given these two conditions. I mean, they really are remainder problems. And we're told that sometimes the members sit at tables with 3 members at one table and 4 at each of the other tables. So if there are, say, m of those tables, then the total number of members would be 4m plus 3. Now, at first, I thought that in the two scenarios there are the same number of tables, but that's actually not the case, meaning they're not occupying all the tables. The reason is that the second scenario says sometimes they sit at tables with 3 members at one table and 5 at each of the other tables. So that clearly is not possible if they were occupying all the tables, because that wouldn't give you the same number of people. So here, if the other table is, let's say, n, then this scenario is 5n plus 3. So essentially, if you divide the number of members, which is, say, x, by 4, remainder is 3. If you divide by 5, remainder is also 3. So we can use that to find, I mean, because of this constraint, there's going to be probably a unique value, but we'll see. So we're really looking for those values for which this holds true, because the number of members is the same. So remainder is the same, so we have 4m is equal to 5n. And the least value for which this would hold true is if m is 5 and n is 4. This is, again, a common type that they give you, which means that's 20, which means the number of members is 23. So that does indeed fall here between 10 and 40. And that would probably be the only one. Yeah, it will be, because the next one would be your double each one. So that's 10, and that's 8, and that's 40 plus 3, 43, which would be outside this. And the lower value would also be, actually would be 0. So that doesn't give us a solution. So there are 23 members. Now they say if they sit at tables with 6 members at each table except 1, meaning we need to divide this by 6, how many members will be at the table that has fewer than 6 members? So this is 6 times 3 is 18, remainder 5. So we'll have 5 on that table remaining, which is answer choice E.